Hi everyone, this is Keith Whalen from RPI Consultants. Thank you for taking the time to attend a very brief webinar on Inforum 2019. Very excited this year in New Orleans. We have our very own Bill Getty and Mr. Todd Stratton, who's the VP of Product Development at Infor, here to tell you a little bit about it and tell you maybe why you should consider going. Bill and Todd, they love questions. Hard, tough questions, so
Absolutely.
Ask away.
I'll say whether we're going to have this video, if you're looking for reasons why to come to Inforum or the business case to join Inforum, you could download this or play this video for your boss or whoever controls those decisions in your organization. So, ready to go. So many of you may not have been to Inforum before, so let me tell you what Inforum is about. So it's the largest customer event of the year for Infor customers. It's a lot of fun, but it's not just a party. Hard to say when you're going to New Orleans, though, because it's a great location. It's engaging, it's networking, it's learning. It's but in a very relaxed atmosphere. This year, Inforum is a little different. They've added on an extra half a day. So on Monday, the exhibit halls will actually open at 2 o'clock. So from 2 to 6 on Monday, no sessions, no other conflicts, nothing like that. You can roam the exhibit hall. So we look forward to that opportunity.
Yeah. I think you're right, Bill. Just real quick, the engagement of customers is key, and customers get to engage with our key executives. They get to engage with product people. They can get training and education on what they need to know in the product today. They can hear about the roadmap that's coming. So it is all about engagement for sure.
Absolutely. The dates are September 23rd through 26th, a beautiful time to be in New Orleans. Look forward to seeing everybody there. So let's talk about some of the benefits. One of the things I like, one of my favorites, is to hear customers talk about what they've done, what successes, what pain points they've eliminated, and Inforum is just chock full with that kind of stuff. Lots of customer presentations. You get an opportunity to create relationships that maybe you've never had. A lot of times you're the only industry in your local area. And at Inforum, you get to meet those others. K through 12, get to connect with other K through 12 area districts throughout the United States. There are over 250 Infor Lawson-focused sessions. So we'll probably stop saying that at some point, but if you are a traditional Lawson customer, there's at least that many sessions that are focused just for you. Product experts, your team comes, solution consultants come, executives come, so there's just a ton of people. You have all the entire partner community there. So you got a great diversity of talent.
Yeah, the one thing, Bill, on the customer speaking, we really believe in that, and this year we have more customers speaking than we've ever had at Inforum before, and it's typically my team on the product side. We know the customers that are most passionate.
Yeah.
A lot of customers come to us and say, hey, I'd like to talk about X, Y, or Z, and my team really works with those customers and the Inforum planners to pull that off. So that's it. You don't just hear from Infor folks, but customers just like you.
And I would tell you there's an opportunity to demo and test products, which you can get at other times, but this way you've got it right in one place. Get a friend to come with you and sit down and test drive a product. RPI is going to roll out our new sandboxes at Inforum this year. So an opportunity to do a little show and tell that's become very popular in the user market. And lastly, learn about the direction of Infor. Todd mentioned that. There's a lot of new things that have already been integrated into the solution. You'll hear what's coming still, because there's no stop to the level of innovation. It continues. We just had a presentation that, to me, is amazing, the amount of innovation that continues. When you think about ERP as a mature product, that's kind of an oxymoron, because it's really not mature. I remember when I joined this market in 1999, my boss said, ERP is dead. 20 years later, no, and it's still kicking.
Well,
so.
and you would have thought rolling out some of the new products we've rolled out of late would be enough, but at Infor, the innovation push never stops. And so customers' needs evolve, and therefore that means the product needs to evolve with them.
Absolutely. So I captured a couple slides here because, every year when we go get ready for Inforum, and for us, this was back in November, December, Infor approaches vendors and says, why do you want to be part of Inforum? And there was a couple of really cool slides in that prospectus to us, and I wanted to outline that. So this year, they're expecting well over 5,000 attendees. You've got 55, I'm sorry. Yeah. And then 750 presentations. We talked about the Lawson market, but there's much more. There's more customers in the Infor community. And then over 70 partners and exhibitors. So that's pretty strong numbers there. Here's another one that really caught my eye, and a good broad perspective of customers, everywhere from leaders down to users, down to managers and things like that. So it's not just for a particular role, it's really for every role. The executive forum, of course, is geared towards executives and things like that. But last year we had meetings and stuff, and I think 25% of our meetings were with C-level type executives, but we had 25% of our meetings were with day-to-day users who wanted to get more out of the application.
Hey,
so
we're very proud of that. Very deep participation from users, from management directors, and even executives. So it's a diverse set of inputs and participation.
So when you think about Inforum and you think about this type of event, there's lots of sessions. And I'm going to read every word on this slide to you in case you can't read. No, I'm just kidding. So there's customer presentations, product presentations. There's panels. I think that's one of my favorite, is to hear several customers or several people, the product management people, interacting and playing off each other's questions and concerns. Stuff about roadmap, vision, the future. Then if you look at the partner community and the exhibitors, we do, partners do sessions. We have industry sessions around different markets, K through 12. I know local government has things, healthcare has events. Yeah. And then last year, in the last several years, the speed sessions, which I really enjoy. The speed sessions. I'm a sales guy, so it's a business opportunity for us. But you get a 20-minute condensed talk about very important topics. And so it really cool. They're in the exhibit hall. They're very interactive, and take a few minutes off your busy schedule. And then the other thing is you hear from the experts. Everywhere from instructors to solution consultants to product management, people that touch this product every day from a Infor perspective, but also a customer perspective. So talk a little bit about a little closer to home. RPI has, over the last couple of years, I think, perfected, or we continue to change it, but personalized meetings. So what we'll do is, in about a month, is we start engaging with the community and asking people to schedule meetings. And you can do a 30-minute meeting, a 60-minute meeting, really depends on what you want. But it's focused time with our experts, everywhere from our consultants to our leadership team. And you have an opportunity to really walk away with some deliverables, walk away with some things that why Inforum was important to you. We'll have SMEs there. I think we're going to have 32 to 35 people from the RPI team. Get your questions answered. Talk to the subject matter experts. It's not a sales call. It's an opportunity to sit down face to face with experts around the product. And so we look forward to that. And you got an extra day to do that with Monday. Okay, customer appreciation event would not be a presentation without telling you this. On Wednesday, you're going to have Christina Aguilera, who I think everybody knows, even I do because I see her on the TV. And so this is this year's entertainment. So great thing to be in New Orleans.
Customers love that, Bill. It's we had Maroon 5 a couple of years ago, Lenny Kravitz, now Christina, and it's such a great event. I mean, it's that alone is a great reason to go to Inforum. I mean, it's
You're exactly correct. Some things to note. So the early bird pricing is going away very soon. So in about the next Friday, not this Friday, but next Friday, early bird pricing goes away. So you get your chance to save goes away. But if you weren't aware of this, if you have multiple people attending, they have some great discounted registration for groups. And so keep that in mind. The hotel rates. I'll tell you personally, I'm the sales and marketing guy from RPI, but the cost of hotels is significantly different than New York and Washington, D.C.
No doubt.
We're saving a bundle of money this year. So great hotel rates in New Orleans and nice hotels located in and around the Bourbon Street area and the convention center. It's just really a great environment. Everything is walking distance in New Orleans, very easy. Business casual attire, so dress casually. There'll be people in suits and ties. There will be people in shorts and t-shirts, and
everything in between.
And everything in between. And then there'll be shuttles. Honestly, it's New Orleans is a great convention town for this size convention, and so it's really easy to get close to the convention center and staying engaged in the event. So I wanted to talk a little bit about making the business case, because I know we have to justify going to Inforum every year. I know the customers I interact with, they have to justify why they're attending. So you've got to outline why this is important to your organization. The number one thing is, I would tell you, is we coach our customers to seek out and bring back key information for the people who aren't attending. Maybe schedule a presentation afterwards about your attendance at the event and what you learned, so that they get more engaged in the community. That helps you get the budget, it helps you get the expenses and all that kind of stuff. Talk and meet with the partners. There's lots of partners there. You'll get different perspectives and different approaches based on the various partners there. Attend sessions that help you transform. I mean, there are some great sessions. There are great places within the exhibit hall that you can see good stuff. I would say this, meet with RPI while you're there. We have meetings scheduled, our meeting opportunities. Take the opportunity. We'll make sure you get your money's worth. And lastly, I would tell you is write up a synopsis. We do one after Inforum every year. We talk about the good, the bad, the ugly, and we try to make changes for the coming year. I would tell you need to do the exact same thing. If your boss is approving, or somebody in your organization is approving, you go to Inforum, you need to give them a report. If you need help, Infor's got some tools out on their website about a letter that helps you outline the business case, but we're happy to help too. So just send us a note at questions@rpic.com, and we'd be more than happy to help you develop the business case. Last, I would tell you, while you're there, visit and engage. So there's more information out on the Infor website. Presentations are still open. They're still looking for customer presenters. There's a little bonus for that. I believe they pick up your admission fee. But you only have until this Friday. It's an online tool. It's pretty simple to operate. Get your things in there. They'll contact you if they need more information. Schedule meetings with Infor and partners. Infor loves to have meetings. RPI does too. Talk to us about helping with your business case. We're going to have plenty of information out on our website, /Inforum, and we'll see you in the Big Easy.